How to pay for Spotify Premium using GCash. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. First of all, you want to have a GCash account, and you're going to have to go to gcash.com and tap on register and enter in all your details. Once you do that, you're going to go over to Spotify, and now this is the home page, and you're going to look for the Explore Premium, which is on the top of the page. You're going to tap on that. Now, what it'll basically do, it will allow you to see what plans are available, right? So you can go down, and as you scroll, you can see that there are a bunch of plans that are available. Now, of course, you will then choose the account or the plan that you would prefer, and you tap on the Get Started. Now, once you've tapped on the Get Started, you're going to go ahead from this page, and you can see it says subscribe, and it'll show you all the different types of subscriptions that you can go in for. You're going to tap on the one that you prefer, and as you tap on that, you'll have a list of payment methods. So unfortunately, I do not have the GCash option available, but if you do, you'll tap on that and it'll redirect you to a page with a QR code. Now what you will do is scan this QR code with your GCash app on your phone, your mobile, on your tablet, and it'll make a payment straight from your GCash account straight to your Spotify account, and there you go. You will now be able to make that payment or buy your premium subscription with your GCash account. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.